Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your AWeber paid subscription. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you cancel your AWeber paid subscription? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to cancel your AWeber paid subscription anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your software subscriptions can get out of hand. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your AWeber dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my AWeber account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to cancel your AWeber paid subscription, you're going to click on your profile name down here on the bottom left. Once you click there, you're going to see these four options and you want to click on my account. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see these other four options and you want to click on billing. Okay, guys, once you click there, you're going to be here in the billing section. So you can see my current plan is up to 500 subscribers. Now, if you're looking to cancel your paid subscriptions, a couple things you need to know. First off, if you want to permanently close your account, you're going to use this. However, if you are still using AWeber and you simply want to downgrade, you can choose this right here, change plan. Now, if you have a paid plan, you want to drop down to the free plan, you need to make sure that you only have one email list. Also, you have the minimum amount of subscribers. It has to be less than 500. If that's the case, then you're going to follow through here, change plan, and then you're going to need to contact customer service through AWeber to have them downgrade you. You can't do it on your own. However, if you have a higher tier plan and you simply want to downgrade, you can do that right here, change plan. Okay, once you do that, this is going to pop up and then you're going to see an option to change plans. So I'm already on the lowest plan available, so I don't have an option to downgrade. If I'm going to downgrade, I would need to contact customer service and have them downgrade me from the lowest tier down to free. But if you're sure you still want to go ahead and cancel, what you're going to do is go back here to my account. I'm going to close this out. Okay, and then like I said, you're going to click here on close my account. Okay, so next you're going to see this pop up. So they're saying you can contact by clicking right here. And again, that's going to be if you're downgrading from the minimum plan down to free. If you're sure you want to cancel, click right here. No thanks, just cancel. Okay, next AWeber is going to ask you a few questions on why you want to cancel. So go ahead and fill this out. Are you switching to another email provider? No. And then here you can provide feedback if you wish to do so. For me, I'm not going to do that, so I'm going to click on next. Okay, next AWeber is going to ask if you want to go ahead and put your account on hold for $4.99 per month. So basically it's going to hold your data, but you won't be able to use the account. So this is if you're going to come back at a later date. For me, I'm going to click on no, cancel my account. Okay, next this pops up and AWeber is going to ask, in order to go ahead and cancel your account, you have to enter in your AWeber password here. You can also choose to have an email backup of your account emailed to you. They do let you know that your account is active through the amount of time that you paid. So there's not going to be any kind of refund. However, anything you've paid, you're still going to be able to use your account up until then. If you're okay with that, you want to go ahead and cancel your paid AWeber subscription. Click here, yes, cancel my account. I'm not going to do that because I'm still using my AWeber account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to cancel your AWeber paid subscription, that's the easiest way I know how to do. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.